see you on the street, I lost my concentration. Just the thought that we might meet creates anticipation. What you look my way was before you go, and my eyes will say what you ought to know. Well, I've been thinking about you day and night, and I don't know if it'll work out right, but somehow I think that it's just mine if we try.